In this video, we'll show you how to email everyone that's attending your event. First, make sure you are logged in as an administrator. From your main navigation, select Admin and then Events. Locate your event and select Email from the Event Management menu. This will open up the message page where you can enter a subject in the subject line field and the message you want to send to your customers in the free text field. Please note that there's no need to enter dear or from, as this will be done automatically. The footer and reply to email address are also completed by default, but can be amended should you need to. If you are sending a marketing email, then please ensure you check the marketing checkbox, as messages that are sent for the purpose of marketing will only be sent to those that have explicitly opted in to receive them and will not be sent to those that have opted out. The Not Yet Purchased checkbox allows you to send an email to all customers who have signed up to receive marketing emails, but not yet made a purchase for your event. The Refunded filter allows you to opt to send the email only to those who have, or have not, been refunded for the event, which can be used in the event of cancellations, for example. You can also add up to 2 attachments to be included in your email. Click the Send Message button to send the email to your recipients. If you would like to track emails that have been sent from your website, you can do this from the main navigation by selecting Reports and then Email Tracker and using the search functionality. And that's it, you have now successfully sent your email. Head to our other tutorials and FAQs for any further guidance you require, from setting up events to holding a raffle. Thanks for watching.